In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Asana app. We'll walk through installing Asana as an app on your computer using your web browser, so it opens in its own clean window and is easy to access like any other application. Start by opening your web browser. For this method, Google Chrome works best because it includes a built-in option to install a website as an app. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top and type Asana. Then press Enter. You'll see search results appear. Click the official Asana website so the main Asana page fully loads in your browser. Give it a second to finish loading. The install option appears only when the page is ready. With the Asana page open, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. You'll see several sections inside this menu. Move your mouse down through the section that includes items like Cast and Save and Share. Stay in that part of the menu. That's where the option you need typically appears. Now look for an option that says Install Page as App or something very similar, such as Install Asana or Install this site as an app. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Chrome version and operating system, but it will clearly reference installing the page as an app. Click that option. A small confirmation box will pop up. Confirm the install. Chrome will then create a standalone Asana window with its own icon, separate from your regular browser tabs. Once the installation completes, Asana opens in an app-like window without the standard browser controls. You can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access later. On Windows, look for it in your Start menu. On macOS, you'll find it in Launchpad and your Applications list. From now on, you can open Asana directly without hunting through browser tabs. If you don't see the Install Page as App option, make sure you're on the main Asana page, not a sign-in pop-up or a help article. Try refreshing the page and ensure your Chrome browser is up to date. Some menus show the option inside or near the Save and Share area, so hover there carefully until you spot it. That's it. You opened your browser, searched for Asana, used the three-dot menu in Google Chrome, navigated around Cast and Save and Share, and clicked Install Page as App. You now have Asana installed like a desktop app for faster, cleaner access.